screen got disconnected.
Yes.
Hello, yes, Deep. Can you see the screen? Okay, let me try Swayam from Wipro.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Swayam.
Yes,
can you
sir.
start reading the first sum again?
Okay, sir. In an envelope, there are some 5 rupee notes and some 10 rupee notes. Total amount of these notes together is 350 rupees. Number of 5 rupee notes are less by 10. Then number of 10 rupees notes. Then find the number of 5 rupee and 10 rupee notes.
Okay. Yes. So if I look at the question, everyone, I'll just write the question in case someone has a doubt. 5.2, we are doing the first sum. Okay. Okay. Swayam, from what you read, can you tell me what are we supposed to find?
5 rupee and 10 rupee notes. Number of 5 rupee and 10 rupee notes to find.
Correct. So tell me, if I give you 3 5 rupee notes and 2 10 rupee notes, then how much money am I giving you?
35 rupees.
Because 3 5 rupee notes plus 2 10 rupee notes.
Yes.
To understand that, हम लोग को ये ढूंढना है, how many number of notes are there?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me what the let wala statement will be?
Let the number of 5 rupee notes be X.
5 rupee notes
be X.
Okay, one second. Notes be X.
And number of 10 rupee notes be Y.
Number of 10 rupee notes be Y.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when there were 3 5 rupee notes, I multiplied 3 with 5.
Yes, sir.
Because each note ka value is 5 rupees. So total there will be 15 rupees multiplication.
Yes.
If there are 2 notes of 10 rupees, then each note ka value is 10. So 2 into 10, 20 rupees. Then add karke
Yes, sir.
35 aaya tha. So here what are they telling us? How much is the total money?
350.
350. So if X number of notes are of 5 rupees, then what two values will I multiply to get the total money?
X plus Y.
Check over here.
Sir.
What is 3?
3 number.
Number of
number
what?
of notes.
Which notes?
5 rupee notes.
So agar there are 3 5 rupee notes, I multiply 3 and 5.
Yes.
So here there are X 5 rupee notes. So what two things will I multiply?
X multiplied by 5.
X. Correct. There are X 5 rupee notes. So
Yes.
if I want to find the total money I have to multiply these two things, no?
Yes, sir.
That will give me 5X.
Yes, sir.
Add it to the 10 rupee notes also. See, 2 was number of 10 rupee notes and
Yes.
10 was the value of note. So 2 and 10 we multiplied. Same way, buy notes of 10 rupees.
Yes. 10y.
10y. अच्छा, अब ये पूरा पैसा हो गया आपके पास. You have X 5 rupee notes, Y 10 rupee notes, सब मिला के how much money do you have totally?
350.
350. So did you understand how we got first equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read the next line to understand what is the second equation.
Number of 5 rupee notes are less by 10 than number of 10 rupee notes.
अच्छा, अभी एक एक word discuss करते. So again start reading.
Number of 5 rupee notes.
Wait. What is the number of 5 rupee notes?
5x.
No. Here, what are the number of 5 rupee notes?
3.
3. अब 5 into 3 नहीं बोला ना, सिर्फ 3 बोला.
Yes.
So again I'm asking you, what are the, in our example जो हम लोग ने लिया है, what is the number of 5 rupee notes?
X.
X. हाँ. Continue.
Are less
R.
by 10.
R मतलब equal
Many. Yes,
to.
equal
No.
to.
See, when there is a singular thing we're talking about, is means equal to. When there are
Yes.
many things we're talking about, R also means equal to.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So R equal to. Okay. Then less. Less should stand for plus or minus.
Minus.
Minus. So what you'll do is you'll leave some space because minus will be of two things, no? So
Yes,
minus
sir.
थोड़ा बीच में आएगा ऐसा.
Okay.
Remember this part no is for a variable, that is alphabet, and this part is for a number. So can you tell me what will come? अच्छा, continue reading. R less
By 10.
by 10. अच्छा, अब ध्यान में रखना number इधर मत लिखना. The number 10 will always come after the sign.
Okay, sir.
Less by 10.
Then number of 10 rupee notes.
Okay. What is the number of 10 rupee notes?
Y.
So Y will obviously come here.
Yes, sir.
You understood how to arrange it? Number बाद में आता है, variable पहले आता है. But ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. We'll have to take all variables to the left. तो इन दोनों में से क्या
Yes.
left में जाएगा?
Y.
So I'll get X
Minus y.
is equal to.
Minus 10.
Very good. This is our equation 2. Did you understand how to get equation 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, we are not going to solve it now, that is for homework, but can you tell me how to solve this? Which equation will I multiply, 1 or 2?
Multiply equation 1 by 5.
Equation 1 को 5 से करेंगे.
Equation 2.
हाँ,
Equation 2.
equation 2 by 5. तो ये भी 5x आ जाएगा. 5x
Yes,
से
sir.
cancel कर पाएंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Can I unmute? Can I
Yeah,
mute,
you can
sir?
mute. Yes. Okay, students. So out of 6, first sum is done. I hope you all have understood this. Okay. One thing that you all can do is before writing the equation, you all can add this statement. This adds, like in paper, it will look nice. Like here, you can write according to first condition. Here, before writing, you can write according to second condition. Okay, I won't write it henceforth, but this is just so that it looks good. That according to first condition, you got this equation. According to second condition, you got this equation. Okay, so in the paper, you all can write it. Again, it's not compulsory. Okay, let me pick someone for the next sum now. Hello, Aryan Shetty. Hello, Aryan Shetty.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you read the second question?
Huh?
Second question. 5.2 second question, can you read?
Sir, I don't have the textbook, means it have the
Then how are you solving the sums? Are you practicing for the test on Sunday?
by PDF. PDF
Acha.
I'm doing. PDF test.
Okay. Fine. Hello, Krenil Shah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good
Krenil,
afternoon,
can you
sir.
read the good afternoon? Can you read the next sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read it.
The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice its numerator. If 1 is added to numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of numerator to denominator is 1 by 2. Find the fraction.
Okay. So here we are supposed to find the fraction, correct?
Yes.
And fraction में what are the two parts that they are calling it? जैसे fraction ऐसे होता है ना, something on top, something below.
Yes, sir.
So what is this top part called?
Numerator.
Below part?
Denominator.
See, chapter's name is linear equation in two variables. So can we take this as x and this as y?
Yes.
So can you tell me the statement?
Let
हाँ.
numerator be
Numerator
x.
ऐसा करते हैं, we'll add of the fraction.
Okay.
Numerator of the fraction
be x.
And अब of the add करने का जरूरत नहीं, आप directly denominator बोल दो.
Denominator be y.
Very good. Denominator by. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now जब भी numerator बोलेंगे we'll use x. जब भी denominator बोलेंगे we'll use y. Okay.
Yes.
Now remember what I told you all to write before the equation. Some statement I told you to write. According to
Sir, I have not written it now.
first condition. Exam में अच्छा दिखता है, तो make sure to write it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to first condition. Yes. Now read the statement.
According to first condition.
नहीं. In the sum, read the sum.
Full sum, sir.
Not the full sum. Just the first condition वाला part. I'll tell you where to stop.
Denominator of a fraction is 1
Continue.
more than twice its numerator.
हाँ. अभी इतना part आपको पढ़ना है, but now let us go word by word. So start reading again.
The denominator of a fraction is 1.
Wait. The denominator of a fraction. इतना समझा?
हाँ.
Denominator of a fraction means should I write x or should I write y?
Y.
Y. Is मतलब क्या बोला था मैंने?
Is equals to.
अब वो लोगों ने 1 बोला है, but 1 के बाद भी कुछ बोला है. There's after 1 what is the word?
More than twice.
More. More है ना?
Yes.
More stands for plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. Last time less था तो minus लिखा था, more है तो plus लिखेंगे, but बीच में लिखेंगे plus.
Yes.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ 1 इधर आएगा, मतलब part before plus आएगा या after plus आएगा?
Sir, before?
नहीं. This after the plus sign or minus sign is for the number. तो ध्यान में रखना, number हमेशा बाद में लिखो, variable इधर आएगा.
Yes,
अच्छा, so it is 1 more than what?
Twice its numerator.
Twice. हाँ, अभी twice का मतलब होता है, what
Two
is twice
times.
का meaning? 2 times. 2 times the numerator. What is the numerator?
2.
Numerator क्या है?
X.
X. तो ये proper नहीं है, because variable सब left में होने चाहिए. तो दोनों में से किसको left में लेके जाए?
1.
Variable 1 variable है.
Sorry, 2x.
2x अगर left में जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा?
Minus
अच्छा,
2x.
Correct. Should I write y minus 2x or should I write minus 2x plus y?
Y minus 2x.
No. We write it alphabet x पहले आता है ना, फिर y बाद में आता है.
Minus 2x plus y.
Is equal to right में क्या है?
1.
Equation 1. समझ गया?
Question 1. Yes, sir.
Now, according to क्या लिखना चाहिए? According to?
Second condition.
हाँ. अब पढ़ो next part.
If 1 is added to numerator and denominator respectively.
एक सेकेंड, पहले मुझे समझाओ कि 1 किस किस को ऐड कर रहे हैं? सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को, सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर को या दोनों को?
दोनों को.
दोनों को मतलब कहना है इसे now I'll have a new numerator.
Yes.
Do you agree I'll have a new denominator?
Yes.
अच्छा, ओल्ड वाले x और y थे, अब नए वाले में मैं क्या चेंज कर रहा हूँ? What am I doing to both?
adding
I
one, adding one,
adding, हाँ adding 1 मतलब क्या लिखो इसके आगे?
2x and 2
2 कहाँ से आ गया? एडिंग 1 का मतलब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना या +1 करना?
plus 1.
तो 2x क्यों बोला?
हाँ, sorry sir.
+1 और इधर क्या आना चाहिए?
Y plus 1.
y + 1. Do you agree these are the new numerators and denominators?
Yes.
Okay. So after doing that, what are they telling us?
The ratio of numerator to denominator is 1:2.
रेशियो मतलब अपॉन आना चाहिए.
Yes.
न्यूमरेटर ऊपर है,
Yes.
डिनोमिनेटर नीचे है, इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच?
1:2.
1 is
1/2.
to 2, 1/2. So what can I do now? इसको इक्वेशन बनाने के लिए क्या करूँ अभी?
Sir,
Can I cross
cross
multiply?
multiply.
So tell me what happens when I cross multiply.
2
2
x plus 1
hmm,
plus sorry
plus
is equal to
equal to
1 y
1
y plus 1.
y + 1. ठीक है, ब्रैकेट खोलो.
2x
हाँ 2x
plus 3.
प्लस 2 1 जा 3 होता है.
Oh, 2
2 इज इक्वल टू, ये ओपन करो,
1y
1y
y
which is y only.
y
हाँ
and 1 plus 1
+1. अच्छा, अब लेफ्ट में क्या जाएगा?
y
y goes to the left और राइट में क्या जाएगा?
2
2. So the 2x
minus y
is equal to
1 minus 2
1 minus 2. Okay. 2x minus y is equal to, what is the subtraction?
minus 1.
-1. Can I say this is equation 2?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Karan.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the sum. Okay, let's move on to the third one now. Hello, Yashika.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you read the third question?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sum of the ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Then find their today's age.
Okay. How many characters are there in the sum?
2.
What are the names?
Priyanka and Deepika.
अच्छा, उनका क्या ढूंढना है हम लोगों को? हाइट, वेट, एज.
Age.
एज ढूंढना है, करेक्ट. अच्छा, एज के पहले भी कोई वर्ड बोले वो लोग ने? फाइंड द
Sum.
क्या बोला है?
Sum.
लास्ट सेंटेंस.
Today's
Find
age.
the today's age. Okay. So even in the statement you'll use today's age. Okay. So let wala statement bolo, let
Let Priyanka's age be X.
Priyanka's today's age बोलते हैं.
Today's age be X.
Hmm.
And Deepika's today's age be Y.
Deepika's today's age BY. Okay. ठीक है. Now what is the statement we write before making the equation?
According to the first condition.
According to first condition. Now read the first sentence.
The sum of the ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years.
अच्छा, सम का मतलब क्या होता है?
Addition.
एडिशन. तो दोनों का एज का टोटल एडिशन is 34. So how to write it? दोनों का एज x और y है ना?
Yes.
दोनों को सम करना है,
X
मतलब दोनों को,
plus Y.
हाँ, x + y is equal to कितना है?
34.
Can I call this equation 1?
Yes.
Okay. After this, what to write?
According to the
Sentence.
second question.
According to second question थोड़ी कर रहे हैं.
Condition.
Second condition. Now read the second part.
Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years.
Okay. प्रियंका is, ठीक है, प्रियंका का एज क्या है?
X
X. प्रियंका का बात पहले किया तो X लिखा. What do you mean by is?
equal to
Okay. Then is. इसके बाद
plus addition
नहीं, I'm saying read the sentence as in that part. Priyanka's age is
elder
elder. Elder मतलब
to
the age is more or age is less?
more
More. More stands for plus or minus?
plus
Plus. So because of elder we are writing plus. Is more, yeah, elder. Then
Deepika by 6
Deepika,
years.
हाँ, दीपिका का एज क्या है? हम लोग ने क्या लिया?
Y
y किधर लिखो? प्लस के पहले y लिखो या प्लस के बाद में y लिखो?
before
Before. So what number will come here?
6.
6. How to arrange this?
X minus Y is equal to 6.
Can I call this equation 2?
Yes.
Have you understood this sum?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Yashika.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, students, we are halfway through. I hope you all have understood. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Again, I'll repeat, whatever sums we are discussing today, you all have to solve them as homework, and next time we'll discuss all the answers. Okay. Yes, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you read the fourth sum?
The total number of lions and peacocks in a certain zoo is 50. The total number of their legs is 140. Then find the number of lions and peacocks in the zoo.
Okay. So 5.2 fourth question. Can you tell me what the let statement should be?
Let the number of legs of lion be X.
What are they? Are they asking us to find the legs or are they asking us to find the lions?
Let the number of lions be X.
Okay.
In the zoo be X.
You can add that also. Let the number of lions
And number of
in the
peacocks
zoo
in the zoo be Y.
and number of peacocks in the zoo by. Okay. So now what is the statement we write?
According to first condition,
According to first condition. Yes. They are telling us total number of lions and peacocks is how much?
50.
50. So what will be the first sentence?
X plus Y is equal to 50.
Yes. Lions plus peacocks is equal to 50. So x plus y is 50. This is equation 1.
1.
Okay. Yes. And now let's go for according to
Second
condition. Now what are they telling us?
The total number of their legs is 140.
Okay. Let us say there are 3 people. Then how many legs are there in this group?
6 legs.
Basically, you did 2. 2 is because all humans have two legs.
Yes.
Into how many humans were there? So 2 into 3 gave me 6 legs.
Yes.
Correct? Now to understand this part, what you should do is, we know X lions are there.
Yes.
We know Y peacocks are there. But to each one, we'll have to multiply their each का legs. How many one lion will have? So एक lion के पास कितना legs होता है?
4 legs.
4 legs.
4x.
And one peacock will have how many legs?
2 legs.
2 legs. So what should I multiply with lion?
4x. 4 into
4x.
x.
Correct. Plus, what will I multiply with peacock?
2y.
2y. और सब मिला के कितना legs होगा?
140.
140. This is our equation 2. Okay, if I give you this sum to solve, Pritika, what will you multiply with what?
equation 2 multiplied by equation 1.
How can we multiply the two equations? We can either multiply here by some number or here by some number. याद है मैंने बोला था we have to compare and make them same.
4 we have to multiply.
Okay. So 4 if I multiply with equation 1 or equation 2?
With 1.
With 1. तो यहाँ पे 4x आएगा and then
So that
subtract करके
gets
cancel कर देंगे.
cancelled. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Pratika.
Thank you, sir.
Students, I hope you all are understanding this. Right? If any doubts, we'll be sharing the video. Make sure to go through it. If you are getting stuck anywhere, but make sure to solve it before next time. Okay? Okay, next. Let's try Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Harshit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you read the fifth sum?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can I start?
Yes, start.
Sanjay gets fixed his monthly income. Every year, there is a certain increment in his salary. After 4 years, his monthly salary was rupees 4,500, and after 10 years, his monthly salary became 5,400 rupees. Then find his original salary and yearly increment.
Acha, can you see the last line mein diya hai? We have to find two things.
Yes, original salary and yearly increment.
Okay. So let's start with let wala statement.
Let the fixed monthly salary of Sanjay be
नहीं
X.
original salary. Let the original salary बोला ना last
हाँ,
sentence.
original salary.
Let the original salary, or we can add here, let Sanjay's
Sanjay's original salary.
BX.
B
Correct.
rupees.
Acha, very good. We can add the unit also here. That's better.
Yes.
Okay. And
And let the Sanjay's increment salary be.
नहीं last sentence पढ़ो ना. What have they asked us?
Increment.
sentence.
Yearly
हाँ.
increment.
And the yearly increment be
BY. Y rupees.
Acha. You understand what do you mean by salary, no, Harshit?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is increment?
Increment.
Increment मतलब क्या होता है?
Increase salary में increase होता
हाँ,
है.
जो increase होता है salary में उसको increment बोलते हैं. So what they are telling us कि they have told Sanjay that every year they'll increase a certain amount. Correct?
Yes.
So let us say मैं first year में जब संजय join हुआ था, जब वो join हुआ तभी उसको increment नहीं मिला ना, तभी उसको salary मिला.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
first year में let's say he earned X rupees.
Yes.
Now after 1 year, एक साल बाद, do you agree उसको increment मिलेगा?
Yes.
Increment हम लोगों ने क्या लिया है?
Y.
Y. तो पहले से उसका salary X है, increment अभी plus minus multiply divide क्या करूँ?
X plus Y. X plus Y.
X plus Y. अच्छा ध्यान देना 1 year है तो एक ही बार Y add हुआ है 1Y.
Yes.
Now imagine after 2 years. After 2
X
years
plus
do you agree
2Y.
दो बार Y add हुआ रहेगा तो यहाँ पे X है तो
Yes.
plus 2Y क्योंकि 2 साल बाद 2 बार Y add हुआ है. अच्छा what about
Yes.
after 3 years?
X plus 3Y.
Very good. Now if I'm going for according to first condition, can you read the first part?
After 4 years, every year there is a certain increment in his salary. After 4 years, his monthly salary was 4,500, and
अच्छा
after 10 years,
एक सेकंड.
yes,
They are saying after 4 years. After 1 year उसका salary
Yes.
X plus Y था. After 2 years X plus
Yes.
2Y है. After 3 years X plus 3Y. तो after 4 years क्या रहेगा?
X plus 4Y.
X plus 4Y is equal to कितना रहेगा? कितना वो लोग ने बोला है?
4,500 rupees.
Correct. This becomes our first equation. इक्वेशन में रुपीज या कुछ यूनिट्स मत लिखना, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड कंडीशन, ये आप ही बताओ अभी।
Yes. X plus 10y.
कैसे पता चला x प्लस 10y है?
सर क्योंकि 10 इयर्स के बाद पूछा है ना बाद में,
Correct.
तो
तो
X
करेक्ट है, x प्लस 10y इज इक्वल टू
5400.
ओके, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2।
Yes.
अब हर्षित सॉल्व करने के लिए मैं कौन सा इक्वेशन में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं?
सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे ना 1 and 2 को।
सब्स्टिट्यूट कैसे करने का? दैट मेथड इज नॉट देयर इन योर पोर्शन। आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट टाइम कि आप लोग
Yes,
कंपेयर
that
करोगे,
value.
तो इधर कोई भी सेम है क्या?
Yes, X.
अगर x का सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सीधा सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो x कैंसिल हो जाएगा।
Yes.
ओके, सो
Yes.
मेक श्योर टू ट्राई इट एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll discuss these sums again. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Hello, Niti from Ghatopar. Hello. Hello, Sai.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sai. Can you read the
Hi.
sixth sum?
Yes, sir. The price of 3 chairs and 2 tables is 4,500 rupees, and price of 5 chairs and 3 tables is 7,000 rupees. Then find the total price of 2 chairs and 2 tables.
Okay. हम लोगों को 2 chairs और 2 tables का प्राइस चाहिए, करेक्ट?
Yes.
बट डोंट यू थिंक इट विल बी बेटर अगर हम लोग एक चेयर और एक टेबल का कॉस्ट निकाल लेते हैं, फिर जितना भी चाहिए उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे।
Yes, sir.
तो व्हेन आई एम डूइंग 5.2 का 6 सम, व्हाट शुड बी माय लेट वाला स्टेटमेंट?
Let the total price of 1 chair be X.
लेट द टोटल नहीं बोलते हैं उसको, लेट द प्राइस
Okay, sir.
Of
Let the price of 1 chair be X.
वन टेबल या चेयर लिखो पहले, चेयर लिखो,
Your chair, yeah.
चेयर, वन चेयर
Be
बी
X.
एक्स,
And the price of 1 table be Y.
वन टेबल बी वाई। ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट कंडीशन,
Yes.
yes, can you read the first sentence?
The price of 3 chairs and 2 tables is 4,500 rupees.
ओके, अगर एक चेयर का x है तो 3 चेयर्स का कितना रहेगा?
3x.
3x। अगर एक टेबल का y है तो 2 टेबल का कितना रहेगा?
2y.
2y। एंड बोथ क्या करेंगे? ऐड, सब्ट्रैक्ट, मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड, क्या करें?
Add
ऐड। तो टोटल कॉस्ट मिला के अब कॉस्ट कितना आ रहा है?
4,500.
So this becomes our equation 1
Yes.
according to second
Second
condition.
condition.
Yes. Second वाला खुद से बताओ।
5x plus 3y is equals to 7,000 rupees.
7,000. Okay. So correct. So now the price of 5 chairs and 3 tables is 7,000 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, we have solved all the 6 questions which are there from your exercise. Now again I'll repeat, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th some are omitted. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sai.
Thank you, sir.
So again, students, I'll just repeat your homework for next time. Next time when we meet, you all have to try all these sums. See if you all are making any mistakes. जो भी answers आपको मिलता है लेके आ जाओ next time. Next time we'll discuss the sums. Okay? And then we'll understand what to do, how to solve. So fine. And this Sunday, as we have discussed, we are having test on algebra, 3rd chapter. So all the best for it. We'll be having 4.1 exercise lecture on Saturday. Okay, so if you have any particular doubts, you can carry that as well. Fine, I'll see you all then.